Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. I love zucchini, and I have a few recipes like zucchini sticks, turkey zucchini boats, zucchini noodles, zucchini pork penny, and more, including this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my easy zucchini bread. Incredibly moist with chocolate, walnuts, and a hint of cinnamon and allspice. This flavorful quick bread is perfect for breakfast or as a snack. So let's get cooking. First, we'll go ahead and toast the walnuts over medium heat. We'll toast them often and it won't take long. 5 minutes and they're done. We'll remove from the heat to cool off. Another ingredient we have to prep before starting the recipe is the zucchini. After removing the ends and discarding them, we'll grate the vegetable using the large holes of a box grater and set aside. Alright, let's start. In a mixing bowl, we'll add flour, baking powder, then baking soda, followed by ground cinnamon, ground sea salt, and a little bit of allspice. We'll whisk our dry ingredients until nicely mixed and set aside for now. Next, in another bowl, we'll add a couple beaten eggs, brown sugar, as well as granulated sugar. We'll whisk them very well before adding oil. I'm using canola. Then applesauce and pure vanilla extract. Of course, we'll whisk until blended. By the way, to make my famous applesauce recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll now stir in the grated zucchini before adding the dry ingredients. We'll stir until just combined. Let's not overdo it, okay? To this, we'll add our toasted walnuts that we chopped and some chocolate chips. Yum! And we'll stir again to incorporate them into the mixture. Here we have a loaf pan that has been greased with butter, and we'll spoon in the zucchini mixture. We'll spread it out evenly and transfer to a 350-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 60 to 70 minutes or until a cake tester inserted in the center comes out clean with just a few crumbs. We'll let it cool in the loaf pan for 45 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. And my friends, this is our easy zucchini bread. Extremely moist and packed with deliciousness, this quick bread is easy to make. With a nice background of cinnamon and allspice, this recipe is a family favorite, and after making it, it will become yours as well. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!